Hey YouTubers, 40 plusers, greetings, salutations, Deborah here. Good morning. Today's the day that I'm going out to open the pool. So that is awesome. But because it has been so cold, it was 42 the other night. Because it's been so cold, the algae and stuff hasn't grown or started blooming or anything yet, so it's still pretty clear, so it should be open in like 3 days. Awesome! Today I'm doing the June Birchbox. Faces, faces, faces. It took me a while to see it actually. I don't know, maybe it's because I was looking at it upside down. But faces. And I think this is supposed to be Love the Day. And there are 5 samples in my box this month. From Davines, this is a shampoo body wash sample. Doesn't smell particularly of anything. Just soap. It smells like soap. And so, okay. It's supposed to be hydrating. The next I'm excited about, plus the packaging is really pretty. I'm not a big packaging addict, right? So, from Davro, I think. Look at this peachy pink matte packaging. There you go. This is a split ends repair and silky leave-in conditioning treatment. Lightweight. Let's see. It's good for, it's color safe or color protecting. I just need to right now. Vegan, cruelty-free, pure plant and flower extracts, gentle, no parabens, kind to the environment, made in Australia. It's an owned and operated Australian company. There you go. And this is great size. For my shower nook, this is a great size. Next, Benefit Roller Lash. Then, from the brand Mellow, this is the matte liquid lip paint in the shade Terran. And I swatched this on the back of my hand the other day, yesterday. This came yesterday. And it didn't seem to dry down, so I'm going to put it on here, see if it dries down at all. It smells like liquid lipstick. So it doesn't smell like mint or cake or anything like that. There's the shade. It's a nice mauve shade. It's a little pigmented for my everyday lip shade, maybe mixed with something. I've decluttered a couple of things from this brand before, so I don't think it's my favorite. But we'll see. And from Murad, this is a mattifying SPF 15 oil controlling moisturizer. Let's see. It's a low SPF. Here's the box it came in. The SPF is low. The zinc oxide is 3%, and then it's got 2 chemical sunscreens in it as well. Honestly, what does this say this is? Is this a primer? It's a non-greasy mattifying moisturizer. 8 hours. It's supposed to keep your skin matte for 8 hours. Interesting. Let's try this. I haven't done any skincare this morning. This is just me with water on my face. And the time is around 10 o'clock. I don't have my phone here, so I'm not sure. And nor do I have my glasses on. Let's say 9:45. Oh! Just exploded. I'm busy. It smells like Elmer's glue. Ugh. It leaves a white cast. What the heck is this? Well, we'll see if it leaves me matte after being out in the sun all day. To get everything, I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror because I didn't actually plan this. So it's just going to be show and tell. Okay, so this is not drying set. So this does not set this liquid lipstick. Alright, so now we're going to do, I'll check back in at 4 hours and 6, maybe 8 if it's still going strong. Says it's supposed to keep me matte for 8 hours, but I'm not matte now, so what do you think? Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day, and I'll check back in a while. Hello, this is the 4-hour check-in, and this mattifying moisturizer with SPF mattified. It did. It's still matte. No oil in the zone that I get oily. Most of my face is dry, but I do have some oil issues on my nose and right in my forehead and over here. But those are all staying matte. So this is staying matte so far. 4 hours in. Be happy, be healthy. Keep watching. I'll check in 2 to 4 hours and then I'll be done. I'm gonna be outside doing the pool opening later, so we'll see how it holds up against sunshine. Ciao for now. Hello, I'm here for my 6:45 check-in. So that makes it 10:45, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, full 8 hours of wearing the Murad Mattifier Oil Control Moisturizer SPF 15 thingy. I spent 4 hours outside setting up the pool because I broke a pipe. So anyway, the pool is set up. We'll start running at 9 in the morning. I was able to get off all the purple PVC primer that I had to use. And what else? That's basically it. That's what I've done with my afternoon. And this morning I was doing work stuff. So I'm gonna call this okay. I mean, it survived. My face didn't fall off, although my cheeks feel very tight because I did get sun on my face. I'm going to put some after sun oil from Julep that I have on my face and put all the goodness back into it, but it's matte-ish. I'm not covered in oil. But I did get sun because I didn't add extra SPF. I knew I should have, but I knew it was gonna... So, I burnt my cheeks for you. Okay. Anyway, so... I think that the 8-hour claim on this is valid. I don't know how it works with anything else because I only use this. You know, normally I would have a moisturizer, then a sunscreen. And before the moisturizer, I would have a full skincare serum regime. I use a lot of skincare. So, does this hold up for 8 hours? For me, yes. 4 hours of office work, 4 hours outside in the sun, screaming and yelling at the pool. So, I think it worked. I'm okay with this. I don't particularly strive to have a matte look, but this would help. And before I went outside, it felt, my skin felt smoother. So there is that as well. Now it's time to get back to work. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day, and if you are interested in mattifying, check this out. This is some interesting stuff.